What's going on, traders? In today's video, I'm going to share a quick fix which will improve your win rate by a lot. Now, this has nothing to do with strategy or risk management, but all of this has to do with price behavior. Now, I'm very surprised that no guru on the internet has talked about this concept yet, but if you understand the following, what I'm about to explain to you in this video, it will really improve your trading performance. So let's start right away. We will be talking about roadblocks. Now, before I explain what it is, let me show you an actual example on the chart. So this is a gold chart. Perfect setup, right? We have a higher high, so the trend should be bullish. And then in here, we have a market structure break. So we should continue higher. But it failed. Why? Because of something most traders completely overlook, which are roadblocks. So roadblocks are basically levels or areas which can stop price and reverse it. These can be liquidity levels, supply demand zones, imbalances, and so forth. Now, in this case, we did have a bullish structure break, but price went straight into a roadblock, which is this supply zone. And now you have sellers pushing price down with an equal or even a higher force. So the probability that your bullish setup will work in this situation has dramatically decreased. So you probably ask yourself how this is going to increase my win rate, and I will show it to you. And by the way, if you want to level up your trading, I've made a complete game plan with strategy and risk management, which will help you minimize your losses and grow your account at a much faster pace. The link is in the description. Let's continue. First, let's go to the second example so you will understand the whole concept. And then we can put all the pieces together. Now, watch. In this chart, we can see that price cleared a low and closed back into the range aggressively. Now, this bullish candle might be our entry signal, but if we wait for the next retracement, we might have a better entry. So let's say we buy around here with our stop below the low of the formation. Now, I want you to pay attention to this opposite leg that created this whole down movement. Do you see any roadblocks in here? Well, I can see only just one, which is this supply zone over here. So the whole premise in this concept is that if we are right in our direction, there is nothing in this down movement that will reverse price until it gets to this supply zone. Obviously, we want this level to be our profit target, and the probability that we hit it is huge. And this is also the reason why in here we see big, huge volume candles, because price has a clear path to its destination. Look, the moral of the story is simple. If you have a profit target much higher and there is one or several roadblocks in between, the probability that price will hit your profit target will decrease because it might reverse on you along the way. But if instead you just position your trades in a way that you can just take full profit at the very first roadblock, your trading will be so much easier. Look, your win rate will go up and you will have much more confidence in your trading because the rules are much simpler. And sometimes you will have setups that are just one-to-one risk to reward, but are still have a huge probability to hit your TP. And sometimes, like in this example, there is a almost a one-to-one, one-to-two risk to reward. So the beauty in this whole concept is that you don't need to force yourself into the big risk to reward trades, and you don't need to manage your positions constantly because you just get out on the very first roadblock where you take full take profit, and that's really the name of the game. So guys, I also have a completely free Telegram group where I send out daily trade alerts, and you are welcome to join. The link is in the description as well. I will see you in the next video.